Hello world. In the last tutorial, we learned how to install Node.js in Ubuntu. Now in this tutorial, we will learn how to install reactjs in Ubuntu. So let us start by searching for React in our browser. As we can see, the first link that we see after searching for React is reactjs.org. This is the official website of React. Let us visit that website and click on Get Started. In this website, on the right hand side, you can see there are different ways to install reactjs. We'll click on Create a new React app. In the Create a new React app section, we can see that there are different tool chains through which, or different ways through which we can install React. It says that if you are learning React or creating a new single page app, use Create React app. So let us click on Create React app. Now in the Create React app section, we can see that there are certain commands. So let us start by pasting those commands. Open the terminal, copy the command and just paste it. As you can see, it mentions that it is creating a new React application in my app folder. And you can see that it is installing different React related packages like React, React DOM, React scripts and other helpful packages. So now the React installation has been done and we can see that there are different ways in which we can start React. So they say that we suggest that you begin by typing cd myapp. Cd is the command to change directory to myapp, and then once we cd myapp, we can type npm start. So when we type npm start, we see that it opens a new page with the React application up and running. So there we have it, the new React application up and running in Ubuntu. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to edit it and customize it according to our needs. That's it for today. Thank you.